Hi folks, the review fella here. So I started up my PS5 and attempted to play some of my favourite games, only to be hit by this error message. Can't use this content, can't connect to server to verify your license. Wait a while, then try again. Not very helpful. And no matter how long I waited or how many times I restarted my PS5, the error remained. It appeared that the licenses for my installed games had somehow lost connection with the PlayStation servers. The fix for this was very simple though. If you go to Settings, then down to Users and Accounts, and then down to Other, you'll see an option to restore licenses. Click on that and hit Restore. In my case, it took about 15 seconds to restore the licenses for every installed game and app on my PS5. This resolved the issue and I haven't seen the problem since. I hope that was some help to you if you experienced the same issue. Please give this video a thumbs up if you found it interesting or useful. It's very much appreciated. Please also consider subscribing. Don't forget to check out the links below this video for more information on the gear I use. Thank you once again, and I very much hope to see you soon.